well-built product, you can tell by the quality of the wiring on the inside. The design is clean and modern looking, a little larger than your standard in-wall electric heater. However, if you don't want to cut a huge hole in your wall, this heater is a great option. Just 3 drywall anchors and a hole for the power wiring. I mounted mine as low as I could, accounting for the 8-in floor clearance, recommended by the manufacturer. With the low mounting and the bottom angled output vent, this is a great convection heater. My main reason for writing this review is to show my drywall mounting method. I recommend using a small piece of 1/2 inch metal conduit with a 1/2 inch compression fitting for the heater connection. Next, run the conduit through the drywall and use a 1/2 inch compression NM cable clamp on the other end, to secure your romex wire. This gives a clean look to the electrical connection, which is very visible. That is why I knocked off 1 star. I thought it was poor design to have the electrical cable entry at the top of the heater. It should be at the middle or bottom where it is less conspicuous. Overall, this is a great heater for a permanent installation.